It's Jiffy Part 3. So in this video, I'm going to plant some broad beans. It's already sprouted and into the pots. So let's get started. The quality of the pots is pretty good. It's pretty strong, and after it's dropped the water and become a little bit soft, but still okay. So the reason I'm using this pot because the root of the broad bean is tap roots. So if you take it out, you may damage the root. So you don't want to do that. So for this one, you can plant it right into the soil. And this is pot mix. Alright, after soil inside, I'm going to put the broad bean on top of it, just like this. And now we put the water inside. I think it's very easy to use and it's very clean, even though the water may absorb on the pot, but it won't leak. So after it grows, it's very easy to use, just to transfer it into the soil. So you don't need to take the pot out, the root will go through. So I think this is a very good product. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.